Another way to do this activity and focus on dynamics is with a scarf. So after we've sang the song and we've practiced those dynamics, we worked so hard on them, it's really fun to throw in a movement activity that supports the learning goal of loud and soft. So I would probably play the piano to this song, or I would use the recording and be able to turn it up and down very easily so the students can respond to the music without anyone talking. So at first, I would ask them the question, how do I make my scarf look quiet? How do I make my scarf look loud? So you'll get all different kinds of variations of that. Some might drop it on quiet, some might throw it on loud, whatever it is. After I explain how I want the students to move with their scarves and show me, I'm going to play some music and I want them to respond to the music showing me quiet and loud or soft and loud.